Hold on, let's say help you get the scissors. Get the scissors out.
I didn't even open it. Okay, hold on. Ow. This little line right here.
Hey YouTube.
Hi.
Happy gardening everyone. I just wanted to let y'all know that we're going on another cucumber hunt in the cucumber patch.
And the cucumbers are best.
As you can see, we got a long one right here. Alright, I want to zoom out a little bit on the big one so you can get the full size. Alright, there you go. And then I'm gonna do the hand motion so y'all can see. There we go. That cucumber is as long as my hand. See that? The flowers are just dying off. We got another baby one right here in this middle area. Alright. As you can see, he's growing nicely. I don't know where his flower went to, but he's growing. He's going to be yummy and tasty. Alright, let's finish hunting, you guys. Let's see. Because as you can see, I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but I rearranged the end over here, so it's not an end that's hanging off anymore. I wrapped it around this pole right here. So, we got the one cucumber that's been on the outside still here. We got this one right here that was hanging on this end part that I didn't attach.
Mom.
Okay, thank you, baby.
Daddy.
Not yet. Okay.
Daddy.
So, let's finish hunting for cucumbers.
Yeah, Mom.
So, like the bird done boo-booed on my leaf right here, and I'm thinking about cutting it off because we don't want no damage or the injury be going to trying to heal leaves per se. As you can see, I have plenty of foliage. Alright, let me get this camera together so we can get back to the hunt. There's another one. Okay, there's one at the back here. That's on the inside. Can't quite reach him, but he's over there. Okay.
My daughter now. What happened? What happened?
Alright, you guys. Let's finish with the hunt.
What hunt?
The cucumber hunt to show YouTube
But
how many cucumbers we got because it's hard to find them. So now we just calling it a hunt instead of the update. There's another one.
I can find.
Because it seems like I'm just hunting for him.
I find that.
I'm not sure if we've seen this one already, but there he goes.
I find that one.
Okay. Gonna come on around to the other side.
My daughter.
Go see if Zay needs some help with the water jugs. Okay, we're going to have to zoom in. Alright, part 2 of the hunt. Let's finish up. Alright, we got this long one here that had bust the vine and looked like it's even growing right here. You see where my trellis is piercing it, but it's still growing. We're gonna have to pick him soon though. I might, let's see if we can pick him now. You see he's stuck.
What's stuck?
He was wrapped around at one point. Oh, I got him. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I just pulled him off.
Wait, can I put it on?
Nice size cucumber.
Can I put it
All right. Now we were just pulling that one off right now. We'll see about pulling any more off, baby.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow.
So, it is hot out here in the Mississippi heat, you guys.
Mama.
So I'm getting all turned around. I
Mom,
think I showed y'all that one. Okay, here go the other one.
Mom,
They had the black spots that was small the other day. Now they got big, still black spots. There go another one there. I don't know what the black spots are for, but I'm quite sure they're still gonna taste yummy. Why? I think it might be a different variety though, cause I don't remember my first, these ones over here. See, that's a whole nother plant that them is coming off of. I think the company might got them mixed up. All right, you guys. So my son is doing the cucumber song.